Hello, and welcome to the Disability Decoder. Today we're going to be talking about the number one reason why your VA disability claim keeps getting denied. Before we get into that, I'm just going to take a quick second to introduce myself. My name is Al, and I'm an Army Ranger vet. I'm a 100% permanent and totally disabled vet. I've worked with thousands of veterans, and I've coached them, guided them, and mentored them throughout their VA claim process. So, basically, the number one reason why your claim keeps getting denied is because you're not submitting a fully developed claim. A fully developed claim is a claim that has all of the required evidence in order for it to be approved by the VA. When I say that, there are three basic elements, and I say elements, but they're really requirements that you need to meet in order for your claim to be approved. The first element is you need a current diagnosis. And when I say a current diagnosis, I mean a diagnosis that is within the last 12 months. Secondly, a diagnosis by a medical provider, all right? Not the diagnosis by your mom, by your wife, by your Uncle Jimbo. None of that matters, and none of that is going to count, right? A medical provider needs to give you a diagnosis. Secondly, the second element is going to be evidence of an in-service event, injury, disease, or an aggravation. When I say that, what I'm talking about is basically, for example, say I go out on a mission, and on that mission, I injure my back. When I get back to the States, I go to sick call, I go to physical therapy, I have my back, get the physical therapy it needs, and say it's still not right? That is an in-service event. Secondly, an aggravation is going to be, for example, say I have a knee condition, and that knee condition causes me to have an abnormal gait or a limp, and I can't run right, I can't walk right, and that gives me or causes me or aggravates me to have a lower back condition. All right, so now my lower back is causing me a lot of issues. I can't sleep. Really, I can't do anything without my back causing me issues now. So what I would do, I would go and have that diagnosed. I have my knee condition diagnosed. I have my back diagnosed. And basically my knee aggravated or caused my back condition. The third element is going to be you need a nexus or a link between condition 1 and condition 2. All right, so I talked about my knee and I talked about my lower back. All right, so I need a nexus or the link between those two conditions. And let's be real, your body is connected. All right, there used to be a song when I was a kid, your knee bone is connected to your hip bone, and your hip bone is connected to your whatever else bone, but that is how your body is connected. Your entire body is connected, all right? So when something goes bad in one area of your body, it's going to cause other issues in other areas of your body, all right? And basically you need a competent medical provider, right? A physician, a doctor, to go over your medical records, verify the diagnoses. Once they verify the diagnosis, they can create or establish a connection or a nexus between those two conditions. And those three elements are what you need in order to have your claim be approved. Number 1, diagnosis. Number 2, in-service event, injury, disease, or an aggravation. Number 3, you need a nexus from a competent medical provider. Please follow for more tips, tricks, and hacks. Have a wonderful day.